Making a banner for your classroom on Blackboard isn't magic. It's easier than you might think. Remember, your banner not only brands your class, it also helps students know that they are in the right place and sets expectations about what happened in the class. A simple banner includes an image and some text. In this video, I will show you first how to create a new canvas. Second, how to insert your image and resize it to an appropriate size. Third, tips to make your text readable. Fourth, how to save your banner in Blackboard. First thing first, create a new canvas. The drawing canvas is the area where you will create or modify images. Let's get started. Open Photoshop. Select the new menu choice from the File menu item. The new canvas window will appear. You can use this window to create your own canvas. Let's try it out. Title your banner. For example, I've named my banner Banner Creation 101. We recommend you set the width to 700 pixels. The height is more flexible, but we recommend 300 pixels. Because this image is for the web, we will use resolution of 72 pixels inch. Make sure you are set to RGB color mode with a white background. When you hit the OK button, you should see your new canvas pop up. OK, now we will insert your image into a blank canvas document. There are a couple of ways to crop an image to make it usable for your banner, but there's one of the easiest. Select File, Place Embedded. This will let you select the image to insert. For example, I've chosen File, Image 1. Click Enter. You can also simply drag an image from Windows or Mac into an open Photoshop canvas. Now you will probably need to resize the image. To scale the placed art, drag one of the corner handles of the bouncing box or enter values for width and height in the options bar. When dragging, holding down the Shift key to constrain the image proportions. When it looks good, click here to finish the step. If you are looking for a public domain images to use in your banner, there are a variety of resources available on the web. Check below this video for a few suggestions. Use the horizontal type tool to create and edit text. The new text you type is entered in a new text layer. Left align your text. You have all the text options on the top here. When you add text on the image, make sure the text is readable for viewers. There are several ways to do this. First, when you are not sure what works, consider going big. The element of size will grab a user's attention, and with one large element, it can make it easier to create a sense of scale between the text and the image. Second, you can also use contrast to increase readability. Make sure that text varies in color enough to be seen in combination with the photo. If you have a photo with a predominantly dark background, you might opt to white or light colored text. If you have a light colored image, you might go with a dark color type. Contrast can also refer to a size of text in relationship to what is happening in the image. Lettering should work with, not against the image. Third, another clever method to make text readable is to add a stroke effect to a type. Go up to Layer, Layer Style. I'm going to put a stroke in a different color around the letter there. The default is black, but you can click to use the eyedrop to pick up a dark color from the image. Okay, now I have a banner, and it looks the way I want it to look. I'm pretty happy with that, and I'm going to save it for web. Go to File, Save for Web. We recommend save your banner as a PNG instead of JPEG once you have text on your banner. Text looks best in a PNG on screens. Once your banner is created, you can upload it to Blackboard by first, click on Customization in your course control panel. Second, select Teaching Style. Third, scroll to Step 7, select Banner. You can click the Browse button to find the new banner, and then hit Submit to upload. After that, you should be able to see your new banner on the top of your announcements page. That's all you need to create a banner for Blackboard. Now it's time for you to start and make your own magic.